Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up feature engineering with Feast on AWS, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an AWS account and access to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Management Console and log in. Set up an Amazon S3 bucket for storing your feature data. To create the bucket, go to the S3 service and click on Create Bucket. Name your bucket and choose a region that is closest to your location. Next, configure permissions and settings as needed, then click Create Bucket. Now, install Feast on your local machine using pip. Open a terminal and run the command pip install Feast. After installation, initialize a new Feast project by running feast init my_project. Navigate into your project folder by entering cd my_project. Inside your project, create a feature repository with a YAML file. Open the repository and define your entities and features. Specify the data source settings for connecting to your data, such as a database or a data warehouse. Now, set up the feature definitions using Feast's Python API. Define your feature view and specify the necessary parameters such as name, entities, and features. Connect your Feast project to the AWS environment by updating the deployment settings with your AWS credentials. Create an AWS Glue data catalog to register your data sources for better integration with Feast. Use the Glue console to create a database and tables that match your prepared feature data schema. Next, configure Feast to read from your Glue data catalog by modifying the YAML file with the Glue catalog details. Run Feast's ingestion command to populate your feature store with the defined features. Monitor the ingestion process to ensure all features have been correctly ingested. After ingestion, use Feast to serve features for online or batch inference. To retrieve features, specify the entity and request using the Feast API. Test your setup by querying the features and checking the output. Finally, review the performance of your feature engineering pipeline and make adjustments as necessary. With these steps, you have successfully set up feature engineering using Feast on AWS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.